look crazy right now. It's the morning. Today we're gonna be making funfetti pancakes. I think I already made a video about that, but it was like a YouTube short. I never made like a full video of it, so let's get into it. Okay, here we have our pancake mix. I'm putting the pancake mix into the bowl. It's kind of hard to take it out, but yeah, I'm putting it in. Next we have our milk. I'm just putting the milk into the pancake mix. We have our eggs. It's going too fast. Some sprinkles for the funfetti look. Some butter. Like the pancakes are cooking. Here's me cooking it right now. The first one is almost done. That's it. And our second one, those are the pancakes. Now we're just making eggs on the side. You know, we love our eggs. This is the final product. And I'm about to try the pancake. It's kind of hard to, you know, take a bite of it. It's like I'm struggling a little bit. And we're almost there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to take it out. Here's me trying it. As you can tell, it was good. So yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. It's been a while since I did a cooking video, so I thought I'd do one. The breakfast was good. It was really good, as you can tell when I was eating it. It's definitely not something you should have every day because it's sweet, but it's good every once in a while. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.